Hey, if you want to download and install Snapchat on any of your Android devices, first of all, you will have to be connected to the Wi-Fi and mobile data, and next you will have to open the Google Play Store on your phone. So from here, you will have to go into the search pool and type the Snapchat. You have to input this phrase and you will have to get this Snapchat application. So click on the install button. Now you have to wait for this downloading process. It's around 76 megabytes, so it will take really fast. After like 10 seconds, we'll get it on our Android device, in my case Android phone. I'm currently using the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and now we can actually click open, and from here we can sign up with our account. So we can create account, or you can tap login if you already have account by clicking right here. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.